And something's telling me it always will be you until the end of my days. And in
Here's one of the reasons that I don't like to order from Teimu, because I really don't know centimeters with inches. And this looks like, I thought it was going to be at least a half an inch round, but it's not. This is just a quarter of an inch. So now I have to go to Michael's to go see if they have something kind of like this so I can make my necklaces. But this is not going to do. I don't know what I can use these for, but I'm pretty sure I can find something to make with those. This is what I found at Michael's. I found the gold ones and the silver ones. These are, what, 12 millimeters. 12 millimeters. And this is 15. And look at the difference. Look at the difference. Although I love these kind because it has like a texture to it. So I don't know. I'm going to have to incorporate this somehow. But this is the charm I'm going to use. And add some more other charms. So here we go. Let's go.
I used to look upon myself as rational and strong, and love was just a word in silly songs. But from that cursed day when you crossed my way, all my confidence was gone. I'm bewitched, bewildered, and utterly alone. And something's telling me it always will be you until the end of my days. And in my dreams I see how I finally find a way to show you how I long for your touch, knowing I'd be asking for much to get to have you in my arms, in my life, if only for a while. But something's telling me I am but a fool, 'cause that beautiful face will not ever be smiling at me, and you won't say all those little words I am longing to hear, those whispers at night, 'cause I fear some things are just never meant to be. Your love is not for me. You'll never know I'd die for your touch. I know too well I'm asking too much to get to have you in my arms, in my life, if only for one night. There's no need telling me I am but a fool, 'cause your beautiful face will not ever be smiling for me, and you won't say My fate is dreams of you and sheer fantasy, knowing it is plain to see